Speed Monster car. There was no warning went with that. Here comes Jason Blazel and 7M. Whoa! You can hear me? Get your engines running. Get ready. Let's go! Keep them rolling. Get out of the corner, get out of the corner. Okay, they're doing the flying boogie. There's one down. Okay, shoot. Put it through. So far back. Shoot's getting hard. It's still running. Cut! Pushing that thing up high. He's doing it pretty hard. Don't plan. He's going to drop this in again. Don't be too hot. 45 and 94. Take him home, dude. Take him home. You're on. Home run. We got a home run. Over the fence. Okay, stop the flagging. Easy trigger. Easy now. Hold on. Okay, number 70's out. Who's out? Next one's down by number 5, huh, guys? 3 cars are out of here. That's the old crew. I know it. I don't know when the last one was.